Hey Poco parents, are you looking for someplace a little different for your after-school care? Wouldn't it be great if that place helped your child build confidence, develop coordination, gain mental discipline, learn social skills, and stay physically fit? Well, what you're looking for is XL Martial Arts After-School Program. We offer age-specific programs for children 5 and up, and our expert instructors are trained to teach all ages and skill levels. Our Child Development Program is designed to help children become their best versions. We do this using leadership, martial arts training, and gymnastics, all while having fun doing activities at our COVID-controlled gym and the local parks. Click the link below, fill out your information, and we will be in touch with you shortly to schedule your child's first class.